Okay, in closing for the negative side, I'm going to summarize our basic arguments, as well as the workability and disadvantage arguments. First off, the affirmative side argues that marijuana is a very safe drug and that it has benefits that other drugs do not have, which, as we have noted, is not the truth. In an article by Health Affairs, it's already been noted that dronabinol and nabilene, which are products of marijuana, basically concentrated to give the benefits without having the risks, are already available. So marijuana is not the only solution, there are others. Secondly, as we stated in our constructive arguments and my colleague's rebuttal, the benefits it's claimed to have don't actually work, and instead many of the things it's supposed to relieve, it actually induces, as noted by the Psychiatric Association and others. My opponents also state that it's safe to use under certain circumstances, but the drug still does not meet FDA standards and has been tested and retested for them for the past 4 decades. Fourthly, there is a high risk of abuse and dependence. It's already high, so by moving the drug from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3, we would only raise the risk of people engaging in abuse and developing dependency. This is noted by 2 different databases on the state and federal level. My opponents also insist that it helps with various health ailments. However, groups that should be benefiting from it have noted that they do not actually benefit, including the previously mentioned risks of psychosis. The Center for Glaucoma says that there is not a benefit, and the increased risks of certain cancers, like lung and testicular cancer, as opposed to it merely helping the side effects of the treatment for such cancers. Finally, my opponents also state that under medical supervision, it is okay to be used and would actually have benefits. But we question how that can be administered and also how that can be regulated, since, as we mentioned previously, it's nearly impossible to regulate the doses, especially with the more potent products that we have available today. So in conclusion, my colleague and I argue against the affirmative proposition that marijuana should be moved from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3, and we support this by showing that the plan to move it is not feasible because people will not comply, and that the supposed benefits that it is intended to be moved for are not supported by adequate studies or scientists. With that, I thank you.